Excuse me? No, no guard. No. Where are you? I think you're stuck. Maybe I could help you. There you go. Oh! God! Oh, that's good. That's fine. Maybe I could just open it and flew back. There we go. Alright. No problem. That's weird. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh. So weird. I don't know why. Mysterious. What is this? Who are you? What are you doing? Scaring me. Maybe the car help. Yep. No! No, my escape! Oh, I'm gonna get out of here! It's out of control! Oh, is that it? Let's go here. Looking back. Alright, we made it out and... What? No! No. What is happening? What? Why are you staring at me? Just get Hope you don't follow me. I'm just out of here. Alright, I don't wanna try to load. Alright. What? Yeah, I'm gonna stop this right now. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go prepare to attack. Take this. Take this. Take this. And you take this. That didn't work. You and take this. Make it a building. That work. Alright. And you. Okay. Hang on, we're just gonna finish. That's it. Are you serious? Oh, that's it. That's it. Put it right now. How about oh, it's fire. That what? No. Oh no. Useless. But you know what? Don't worry. And I can use strength. Burn everything. Yes. Come on, Meteor. Where are you? Yes. Get the aliens. Get it. Yes. You. Oh. What? Oh yeah?
I have power to
spawn
fly.
meteors on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No! Okay, that's it. You know what? The mirror's not working. I found a plan. How to get rid of this. Aliens. Smash it. The buildings. Like this. Where are they? Let's spawn meteors one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Burn everything. Burn everything. Hit this. did it. Yes, at least the other one's not there. I'm fine. Yay. You just throw it there. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Good luck. Over there. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. 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 Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe right now. See more videos so I can upload it next time. Thanks for watching. And, bye guys. Bye everyone. Goodbye. Wait. 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 Oh no, I actually caused the meteor! No, strike! No!